Thanks for coming.
Yeah, nice to see you, honey.
Are you okay?
I'm just not feeling good.
What's wrong?
Are you a doctor now?
I can be, but
No.
what's wrong?
Just the vibe, you know, I don't feel that
Are you sick? Something happened with your parents? What happened?
good. Well, that's why I'm here, so I want to feel good, so you the chief. So make me feel good, as always.
Anyways, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise.
Yeah.
Surprise.
A big surprise.
Is it now or later on?
Well, let me double check. Actually, now, because she's here right now, I want you to meet someone.
Come on.
They're already inside eating, so we're gonna meet them.
I thought I was a secret. Come on.
Really?
Yeah.
A Victoria's Secret in the parking lot?
I don't
You
know,
see,
but I mean,
There's no Victoria's Secret on me, okay?
I love
I'm
you so
down
much.
with you. I love you too.
It's
But-
a surprise for me, Andrew.
Are you feeling better now?
Start feeling better already. You know, I start getting my energy. I just get new, you know, already, you know, bump, you know.
Faut toujours bluffer, mon homme. Let's go.
Power keep going, let's go. Then I say, oh, but it's a selfie without picture.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome.
Well, so I've been waiting for a while to actually see you, so I'm happy I'm actually here with you.
You too. You look nice.
Thank you. You look gorgeous.
Thank you. What do you have over there?
Some French toast. You know, I'm a big breakfast person. You know, I love French toast. I got some eggs, some scrambled eggs with cheese and stuff like that. But
Nice.
besides the food, I mean, I thought you
Can't go
had a
wrong with the
surprise.
steak. Want to
Yeah?
taste?
Yeah.
You're gonna have a good night, whatever. Okay, now surprise.
Hey,
Hey, my love.
how you doing?
How are you?
Hey.
Hey, Jay.
Hey, how you doing?
John.
Good. This is Sarah.
Oh,
John.
Hey, John.
John Carter?
Oh, you guys know each other?
What's up, bro? I'm running into you a lot.
Yeah, seems like there are a lot of you out there.
Babe,
Yeah.
have a seat.
Okay,
What's really going on?
Wow.
you look nice.
Thank you. You look so nice.
Thank you.
Are you guys surprised?
Very surprised. Well, he looks like he's
Yeah, I'm very
surprised.
surprised. Yeah, I didn't expect to see you.
I told him I had a surprise for him.
Well,
Yeah, I didn't.
this is not about me. Just wanted you guys to meet. Since you guys have some
So what
A lot of-
happened though? I
in
mean,
common.
Who?
so I saw you the other day though. I mean, I know it's not that cool. I mean, I'm sorry for disrespecting you like in front of your lady, but I mean, you go out with Molina, right?
Who?
Molina.
Who's Molane? Who's that? Molane?
Oh, you don't know the name of the girl you want to meet her mom?
Yeah, Miss Nicole Molina, the daughter.
Okay, yes.
Is there
No, she's-
something I need to know?
No, listen, she's just me and Molana, she's not my girl, she's just a friend.
A friend?
She's just a friend. Nothing serious. You know, I happened to come in and, you know, just stop by to say hi and she was there with her mother. And this gentleman was here with them. You know, I tend to be, he looks real familiar, you know. I just can't quite get my hands on where I've seen him at before.
Well, it seems like me and you, we could, you know, do a lot of things together, bro. I mean,
A lot of things together.
I mean, I would
What are
say a
you
lot.
saying?
Okay, what's going on?
This guy, I don't even know what to say, man.
Are you
but,
dating
you know,
Molina?
Yeah, are you dating me?
So I mean, why does it matter that he's?
Honey, I mean, that's my girl. I mean, just a little respect, please. You know, I'm not dating Molina.
He used
But-
to go out with her. They did it for like 2 years.
Yeah.
So yeah, and they broke up.
Oh, really? I mean, when I seen you, it didn't look like you guys broke up. I mean, you
When
were
you
there
see-
when I saw
But
you.
me, I still have like a question though. I mean, like, even though I'm not with Molina, but I want to know in the meantime while I was with Molina, so what happened? You know, how did you get Molina, bro? I mean,
Why do you care how you got Molina?
Is it your
You know what? What?
okay,
Why do you need to know?
honey, I'm so sorry.
Since
I'm
we
sorry.
come here to
Let's
embarrass
just-
me.
Okay, I'm sorry. I love you. You know, I love you. And Sarah, nice to meet you. she been talking to me about you, which is I'm glad to
Really?
meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you again.
So anyhow, you and her are not talking. You guys are not dating. So if I call her right now, she'll say you guys are just
Why
friends.
why would you want to do that?
Cause she's my friend, and I know she used to date this boy, so I know about her. So I just want to make sure that she's straight.
No, she's
This
good.
is not about you. I don't know you. You're just a client. I don't know you. It's about
sounds
her.
Like, no, it sounds like you're trying to do that right now. That's what it sounds like.
Do what?
Listen, I'm here
Okay.
trying to enjoy my meal right now, and you guys come out of nowhere. You know, sweetie, listen, if this was the surprise, I mean, I am
I'm
surprised.
sorry.
Listen, I am surprised, but this was not a good idea.
I didn't know it was gonna
this
end
is
up
not
to
a
be
good
like
idea
this.
because apparently they come here like the Ghostbusters trying to bust somebody or something.
No,
and
we're
there's
not
nothing.
busting anything.
So
I
what
just
is-
you know
wanted
what?
to
I mean,
want
You both-
everything to be
listen,
straight.
clearly you both came in here look like you guys
Okay.
are trying to stir some problems up. I don't understand. You was
Okay,
there
I know
clearly
this
looked
man is
like
not trying
Let's
to
just
flip
say
the
that, you
table.
know-
Do not let him get into your mind.
No.
Bro, I mean,
Don't come here
You know,
trying to
this is
flip
my
the table.
friend. I had no idea.
listen, bro. I mean,
I don't know what's going on.
This is nonsense. Listen, you guys can argue. I'm gonna eat my French toast because I love French toast, as I said before.
there's a
I'm not
lot
gonna
of
let it go to
things
waste.
to love. Yeah, I mean,
So-
it takes people
Go ahead,
to grow.
talk.
But this is important, though. I need to know. Are you?
Okay, I'm listening. No, listen, sweetie. I told you already. She is not my girlfriend. I just stopped by to see her, say hi, and she happened to be there. The mother was there. This bald head guy right here was there.
Okay,
also,
let's put it that way, man. I mean, I ain't got nothing with you though. So what I could tell, you know, like this is a very beautiful lady, you know, in front of you, and
yes, she is. Yes, she is.
Thank
like way better than her though. Yeah, congratulations. You know, nice to see you, Sarah, and with this guy.
Thank you. So is everything okay now? Can we enjoy
And
our meal?
well, I mean, like I say, I ain't got nothing wrong with you.
I mean,
no, nothing
I'm
wrong
not
though.
saying. I just wanted to stop by and make sure that none of our men are still involved with her. None of our men are still involved with her. I just wanted to make sure. I'm not saying because I have to go. We have to go for my mom's house for dinner, but
I'm
that was
very
it.
glad you two, you know, best friend, you know, because there's a lot of things, you know, I may not trust, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Boy, you doing your thing, man. What's
Yeah.
going on, man?
you too, man.
Seems like
Boys.
we've been know each other since a long time ago.
Yeah, you look familiar. It's like the more I see you, the shinier your head gets. Like, I don't understand. Like,
Don't
be
even talk
nice.
about that, bro.
No,
I
listen,
mean,
I'm just saying it gets shinier and
Don't-
shinier every time.
don't even talk about that, bro. I
I
mean,
don't
like,
understand, man.
honey, this is better than the lache book I'm taking at the yeah.
Oh,
I don't know if it's
stop. Okay,
Creole though. I mean,
She just making sure, babe.
Okay.
Why do you feel so attacked? Like
What I feel what? What
so
I feel
attacked?
what? Attacked?
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like I got a bullseye sign on my face.
this man
I'm
though.
the target for you. That's just what I feel.
You're not the target. I just don't like
Be
sneaky
nice.
people.
I
Okay.
am being nice. I'm
It's
just
almost
trying
like
to figure out.
like a big Geico, man. This guy, I'm just playing though. Look at
You got jokes?
it's not jokes, but I mean just look at you though. I mean, boy, I'm cool with you though, but I mean you're just a little funny, man. I mean,
What's that supposed to mean? Nah, you can't be
How
talking
you gonna
about
crack
that.
on when you sitting here looking like a black Elvis?
What?
Bald-headed Elvis, man. Listen.
come on though, you trying to?
Come on, bro.
Is that racist or what? What you trying to say though?
Come
I mean,
on.
come on though.
You got, listen, what's up with the jacket you got on, bro?
Okay.
Come on, man.
Anyways,
Are
this
you
is
guys
not about you guys. You guys are not about to turn the table. It's just I don't care what you guys have going on. We'll give you a chevy, leave back in chevy, chop it up, give him a half. I don't give
I
a
still
damn.
love it.
Okay.
See? Hey, my baby like it, so that's all that matters.
I don't care. You know what? Time to go.
I'm playing.
All that matters to me.
Anyways, babe, we gotta go. My mom is expecting us in like 20 minutes.
Really?
I just wanted to come and just clear these boys
Well,
up.
thank you for coming.
Okay,
welcome,
yes,
madam. I
yes.
gotta go.
Thank you for coming.
Bro,
Yes.
I mean, nice to see you. So
Yeah, nice to see you too.
hope I don't see you, you know,
All right.
again with
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, yeah. You
Anyways,
Bye,
Jane,
Alright.
I'll see you around.
See you again.
keep the shine. All right.
Alright.
Keep the shine up.
I mean, you want to
Alright.
lache book here, man. You better go.
My goodness.
What's wrong with
I
y'all?
don't know. It's just something about this dude. I feel like I know him from somewhere. I just,
Where you
I
know
guess
him?
I don't know. I know him from
So
somewhere.
who's that girl that he's talking about?
No, I told you, it's just an old friend that I stopped by to see. And when I was there, I ran into him. He was there. I mean, her mother was there, and that's all this really
You didn't
was.
tell
And
me
for
you
her,
was gonna stop by and see a
I know,
friend.
but I was just in the area. You know, I happened to be in the area. I know that she works there or whatever the case. So I said, you know what, let me just go by and just say hi.
Okay.
And I just happened to run into them over there.
I believe you.
You know?
Yeah.
Cool. So can we go back to our dinner?
Yes, I'm starving, you know.
Goodness.
It's
So
so
this stuff is good, man.
so delicious.
It really is.
You can't go wrong with
saying, you know-
well done steak.
Yeah, you know I love French toast. Have you ever tasted? Do you
I
want to
have,
taste it?
sure.
You want to?
Wait,
You want to eat that? Okay. I'm gonna give you a small piece just in case. No?
you know I don't want to choke down.
It's good, huh?
Delicious.
Yes, everybody I say the same thing. You know? My goodness.
I love it.
Excuse me, so that's your ex-boyfriend?
Yes, he is. Yeah.
She's just not finding out. Wait, why are you still talking to him?
Okay.
Oh my God.
No, it's
And you didn't tell me you're supposed to be my best friend?
Yeah, best friends does that. All the time. All the time.
I tell you that. We're trying to help you. If you don't sell the company and you let the lawsuit take it away from you, you're gonna lose everything. And when it's time to retire, I see what to do. We're trying to help you.
Compagnon, tapé ou vraiment avantage dans compagnon pour nous capable acheter. C'est que we gonna give you like double the price. We gonna double the price. Whatever is sacking in the market.
I like you to take off your glasses.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
You know, when you call me mother, mommy,
Yes, mommy.
and love with my daughter,
Mommy,
you
this
were
is
another double cross.